We've got another lovely 4Motion Kombi T6.1 van here. Bit of a rare colour, it's our first one we've had. This is Light Ivory. It's got our full MASV black styling pack, which I'm just going to show you around. So these are 2024 delivery mileage, 4Motions, very rare van. Great specification. We've got LED lights here with daytime running lights on the front. Got our full gloss black grills, black badging, lower splitter, 20-inch velar wheels, uni-royal tyres, gloss black wing mirrors, gloss black bases, got the roof rails, satin black sidebars, lowered suspension. I'll take you around the rear here. Tailgate, carbon bumper protector, gloss black rear tailgate spoiler. I've got the smoke lights at the back, smoke deflectors. So I'm just going to show you in the back now. You've got the lovely 4Motion badge there, which is also being done black. Electric twin sliding doors, full bespoke MASV leather retrim, black leather, silver stitching, got the carbon fibre inserts there. It's a 5-seat model with captain's chairs, fully lined in the back, Alcantara headliner. Just going to open the tailgate, show you the rest. Spotlights on the tailgate top there on a separate switch, fully carpet lined. Got lights on a separate switch at the side there. Grey suede headliner. Got the Kombi rubber floor. Privacy glass. I'll show you in the front. DSG automatic, carbon steering wheel, 171 miles only. Discover Media nav. We've got Diff lock, which is a rare option to find, which you'll see there. All the specification of our transporters is on the advert. We've got heated seats. All these options are a bit of a necessity on an high-spec transporter. Twin sliding electric doors, the bigger nav. Very well spec van, lovely colour. You can't order one of these or buy one anymore from Volkswagen. We've got a fair few in stock. And this one looks fantastic, really like the colour. Please visit www.martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. You'll see all of our stock online, 20 plus photos, full detailed description of all the spec. You've got the remainder of the Volkswagen warranty for 3 years till 2027. Can arrange finance, part exchange welcome. Thank you for watching.